Does chewing gum expose you to microplastics? A group of UCLA researchers found that chewing gum can expose you to thousands of microplastics. The team tested 5 common brands of synthetic gum and 5 common brands of natural gum. One subject chewed 7 pieces of gum for all 10 brands to repeat the experiment with the same exact chewing pattern and saliva. The team measured an average of 100 microplastics released per gram of gum. Since some of the gums tested released up to 600 microplastics per gram and most gum weighs between 2 to 6 grams, a large piece of gum could release as much as 3,000 microplastics. The researchers were surprised to find that both synthetic and natural gum release similar concentrations of microplastics and contain the same polymers which you see here on the screen. Natural gums come from chicle and other tree saps, while synthetic gums use petroleum compounds as their base, which makes these findings unexpected. The researchers also discovered that most of the microplastics were released from the gum within the first 2 minutes of chewing. The researchers suggested that chewing the same piece of gum for longer could expose you to less microplastics than chewing several pieces of gum. Based on their calculations, chewing 1 piece of gum every other day could expose you to as high as 30,000 microplastics a year. The author said their goal is not to alarm anyone since, quote, scientists don't know if microplastics are safe or not. This goes to show that at the end of the day, we have to look out for our own health. It seems that the more things we test, the more we discover new sources of microplastic contamination, so it'll be interesting to see what's next.